Here's my prediction. The pool is being prepared for the winter, and I will drain the pool, not completely but a third of the water. And Rex especially will be very confused about when I'm draining the water. Let's see what happens. What is going on? What is going on, guys? Water coming out in this blue pipe. What is it? What is it, Rex? It's making strange noises, isn't it? Not to bite. Nay. Up! No biting. That will spoil the whole thing, Rex. Sammie, Rex, no biting. Strange things. What kind of sorcery is this? Nay, nay, no biting. Rex, no biting. We can't play with the blue thing, so we better play with our toys. Poor guys. And I'm also dumping the rainwater from this tank. We have this to water our plants, etc. But it's going to freeze very soon, so we better let the water out, or it will break. Right, Sammie? There's a ball. Silly boys. No biting, Rex. Rex, no biting. No.